Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my eyebrow routine with you guys, right from shaping, tweezing and filling in my brows. So let's get started. If you're not sure about the correct shape for your brows, here's a quick way to find it out. Take an eye pencil and rest it on the side of your nose and draw a line, and this is where your eyebrows should begin. Next, press the pencil on the side of your nostril and take it right across your pupil and draw a line, and this is exactly where your arch should be. And lastly, press the pencil on the corner of your nostrils and take it to the corner of your eye and draw a marking, and this should be the ideal length of your brows. That we have decided this shape, it's time to go ahead and pluck out the excess hair. Always pluck the eyebrows in the direction of the hair growth. The hair would grow either upwards or on the side, so make sure that you go as per the direction of your hair. Also, to reduce the pain, you can always stretch your skin and pluck in the hair, and you would also be able to remove the small baby hair with this trick. Now that I've got my desired eyebrow shape, it's time to trim off the excess hair. Taking a spoolie, I'm just going to comb my hair upwards and cut all the excess hair. Well, I personally like my eyebrows to be straight, but you can always follow your natural brow shape. Alright, now I'm going to remove all the markings from my brows so I can show you guys how I fill in my eyebrows. I'm using the MAC eyeshadow in Brune here to fill in my brows. Taking it on an angular brush, I'm just going to draw a very small upward stroke and fill in all the gaps in my brows. I personally like using eyeshadows rather than eye pencils because they give you a very natural and softer kind of look, wherein the pencils can leave harsh lines sometimes, but at the end of the day it's all up to you and you can use whatever you're comfortable with. Taking a spoolie, I'm just going to comb it through my brows. This would basically remove all the harsh edges and would blend the eyeshadows really well. Okay, now this step is completely optional, but if you seek for the more defined eyebrows, then you can always opt in for this trick. Over here, taking a concealer in a concealer brush, I am just applying it on the edges of my brows, both up and down, to make it look more neat and more precise. Again, like I mentioned before, this step is completely optional, but according to me it does make a lot of difference, and if I am going for a special function, then I often do this trick. And this is the finished look. As you can see, just shaping and filling in your brows makes so much of difference. If you compare both the eyes, it gives you a different look altogether. And that was about it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.